Witness the greatness.
Ready to witness the greatness.
I'm ready for that new shit.
What's going on, YouTube, man? It's your boy Lex. You already know how I be doing things. We got a little something. Another unboxing coming to you guys, you know what I mean? You know how your boy does it, so let's go. Alright guys, like I said, man, thank you for joining AVO Kickz. You know what I mean? It's your boy, but we got a little something for y'all like we always do. We always got a little something with a little something, you know what I mean? Because if you don't have something, you don't have nothing. So we're going to hit y'all with a little something. You know what I'm saying? But y'all already know how we do, so let's go. Woo! Right here, right now. We got a little box, man. You know what I mean? We got to unbox it for you guys. Because that's what we do. You guys like the unboxing videos, you know what I mean? Something about unboxing you guys really dig. Like, I feel like you guys feel like y'all unwrapping a Christmas present with me. So I love unboxing with you guys. So let's unbox this box and see where it takes us right here. Y'all already know. We're going to go straight to it. Woo! Right here, man. We got the Jordan box right here. Some of y'all might know what color this is. Some of y'all might not know what it is. The box came a little fucked up, man. Look at that. It looks like they fucking out-ordered my shoes. Look like they were fucking kicking it around, bro. I don't know about that, but yeah. So we got the shoe box right here. Typical Jordan box. Usually they don't come messed up like that. I'm not digging that, but it is what it is for the for how I got them, bro. It didn't even matter, man. What we got here is the women edition's Air Jordan 1 Retros Low OGs right here, size 10, which is 8.5 for me. You know what I mean? Your boy had a carpet. I had a carpet. Like I said, I like collecting all the Jordan Lows OGs, man. So I waited for this one. It came out 2024, I believe, last year. They didn't cop it. You know what I mean? And then I waited. But when I seen it, and like I said, we're going to get to that. But when I seen it, I was like, whoa, we're going to cop it now. But as we're going to open the box, man. We got the typical Jordan box with the Nike sign, the red stamp on the side. Confirmation number right there. But you guys probably don't really care about the boxes like that. So we're going to open it up. Boom. Jordan 1 Low OG Retros right here. Oxidized. I had a copy also, guys. This is a good, I would say this is a good spring color, especially Easter's around the corner, man. Like, come on now, like, beautiful Easter shoe, man. So let's get it out the box. Let's go check it out, because that's what you guys want. We want to get it out the box. We want to see how the shoe looks on hand and on feet, because you already know how your boy does it. He gives you the review and the on foot review. You know what I'm saying? But I probably ain't gonna catch all that. Boom! Right here, man. We got the Jordan 1 Retros Low OGs Oxidized White. This baby, man, like I said, it's beautiful, man. It's all white all the way around. It got the Nike, the oxidized Nike suede. I got the oxidized Nike Swish sign right here, and it got the oxidized going around to the back with the wings. It got the white wings right here. It got the cell, the cell going around the bottoms, and then the front is all white. Like I said, this shoe is good for this. It's springtime coming. I like colors like this. They go with a lot. And look at that. That's one thing I like about shoes a lot, when they have the gun bottoms. Something about these gun bottoms, man. I love shoes when they come with gun bottoms. I don't know, man. The gun bottom, sometimes it just makes the shoe like, boom, just pop up on you like this. But yeah, like I had a carpet. Hold on. Oh, man. I should stop doing that, because every time I do that, I always as soon as I get done making a video, I always go back online and buy some more, man. So maybe I should stop doing that, because it's not a good sign, you know what I mean? But like I said, I had to cop them. Also, the main reason I cop them, man, they were only like $75, bro. $75 on Finish Line. At $140, $75, that's like half off. I couldn't pass them. Like I said, when they came out last year, I passed them. But then they waited, they sat, and then now they were $75. I don't know if that promotion is still there because I got them a couple weeks ago. But if it's there, I recommend you should get it. Also, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Get that algorithm going. You know, give your boy some love. I'm going to keep dropping bangers. I'm going to try to drop what I can drop for you guys all the time. Because I like making you guys happy. If you guys happy, I'm happy. So make sure you guys give the boy some love. And if you have any comments, leave it down below. Also comment if you bought this shoe or did you pass also. And if you did pass, let me know. Because they are on sale right now. There's a couple other apps that have them for like $100. That's still $40 off. 80, 90 bucks. So like I said, like good Easter shoe, spring shoe, all white. You know what I mean? Like who don't want that? It got a little green, but when you put the jeans on, you can barely see that Swish sign. So yes, like I said, it's all white shoe, but the gum bottoms, definitely digging that. So like, let me know if you're gonna cop them. Let me know if you did cop them. They're true to size. All Jordan 1 lows are true to size. So I recommend if you like them nice and fitted, go true to size. But if you like a little wiggly room, go a little size up. Me, I don't like wiggly room on Jordan 1s because they do, and you know how people, you already know how they crease easily. So the more wiggly room you have, the more creases you have. And I like to lay my shoelace loose because when you tighten your shoelace really tight, it also makes the crease come faster. So that's why I like to wear my shoelace loose. So that's a little recommendation for me, but I don't know. Some of you guys might like a little wiggle room. Some of you guys might like tighten up your shoes tight. Me, I like tighten them up that tight. I like them a little loose, so that's why I go true to size. And also, guys, they do come with a extra pair of shoelaces, an oxidized green shoelace. So that's a plus. You know what I mean? Like I always say, I like when Jordan shoes come with. I like not even Jordan. I like when any shoes come with extra pair of two shoelaces because it makes it easier. If you don't want to have the all white, you can put the green on. You know what I mean? Rock the green. Give it a little color if you want to. You don't have to go online and buy extra shoelaces. So that's a plus for me. I like when people do things like that. I mean, I like when companies do things like that. So yes, that's a plus for me. I love the shoelaces. Another color. And then, you know, definitely keep this in the collection. But yes, like it got the green inside with the Nike sign. Yes, guys, like I'm digging the colorway, so let me know what y'all think. But as y'all already know, we're gonna do the on foot review because half of y'all probably skip my talking, which is all right, man. Y'all still showing y'all boys some love, but go straight to the on foot, which is okay. I don't mind it, as long as you give your boys a like, you know what I mean, and you subscribe. That's definitely a plus. But if you don't, it is what it is. But I'm gonna do the on foot review for you guys, so you guys can see how it looks on foot. Because sometimes, like I always say, you can see the shoe online, you can see it on commercials, on magazines, and you know that's nice. But when you see it on foot on somebody, sometimes it makes you change your mind and be like, oh, that's not really bad. And like I said, for the price, for me it wasn't bad. That's why I had to cop them. That's why I'm letting y'all know I go after the deals for you guys too, man. So when I catch a deal, I cop. Try to tell you guys what's up. I'm gonna leave it down on the sign around here where I cop them from. Maybe that deal, I don't think it might not. I think they sold out on some real shit on the Finish Line app. I think after I bought it, a couple of days later they sold out, and I didn't do the video right away. So, but if I find another place that's selling them for cheaper, I'm gonna leave it right there on my left or my right here on my screen for you guys to see. But as y'all already know, stay positive. Don't let negativity get to you. Always keep that good energy around you, and show your boy some love. And we're gonna do the on foot review. So let's go.
Witness the greatness.
Ready to witness the greatness.
I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time, I have to learn to hide. one thing at a time. Emotions running high. I wish you felt alright. Just hitting my line all the time.